Most people dream of financial freedom, but few understand the path to get there. It's not a single leap, but a journey through distinct stages. A deliberate climb from trading time for money to making money work for you. This journey transforms you from an employee to an entrepreneur, and finally to an investor. It's a process of evolution, where each stage builds upon the last, paving the way toward true, lasting wealth. Let's break down this three-part journey. The journey begins where most of us start, with a job. This is the foundational stage, the bedrock upon which all future wealth is built. As an employee, your primary asset is your time and your skills, which you exchange for a steady paycheck. This phase is not about getting rich overnight. It's about disciplining yourself. Here, you learn the value of consistent effort and, more importantly, the power of saving. Every dollar you set aside, whether tucked into a simple savings account or a dedicated fund, is a seed for your future. It's the diligent, day in, day out commitment to your work and your savings that creates the initial capital, the launching pad for the next, more dynamic stage of your financial life. This period tests your patience as you methodically build your resources, month after month, laying a stable foundation for the leap you are preparing to make. With a solid financial base, you are ready for the second stage, becoming an entrepreneur. This is the leap of faith, where you transition from an employee to a business owner. It often starts with a spark of an idea, nurtured during late nights and weekends, sketched out on the whiteboards and in notebooks. You invest your savings and your sweat equity into building something of your own. This stage is defined by relentless work. You are the chief strategist, the lead salesperson, the customer service representative, and the operations manager all at once. You pack the orders, you talk to the customers, you build your team. It's a period of intense activity and high stakes, but also immense growth. As you solve problems and serve your market, you'll see your efforts reflected in a rising revenue curve. Your business is no longer just an idea. It's a living, breathing entity that generates income independent of a 9-to-5 schedule. This is where you learn to create value at scale. The final stage of wealth creation is the transition from active business owner to savvy investor. Having built a successful enterprise, you now have a new resource to deploy: significant capital. Your focus shifts from generating active income to building passive income streams. This is the growth phase, where your money starts working for you. 24/7, you begin to acquire assets, not just your own business, but a diversified portfolio. You analyze stock market trends, purchase real estate properties that generate rental income, and invest in other vehicles like bonds or precious metals. Each asset becomes another soldier in your financial army, working to grow your wealth even while you sleep. This is the culmination of your journey, the stage that affords true financial freedom. It's the freedom to choose how you spend your time, symbolized not just by a yacht or a luxury vacation, but by the peace of mind that comes from owning your life. From the structured discipline of an employee, to the relentless hustle of an entrepreneur, and finally to the strategic foresight of an investor, this is the proven path to building wealth. Each stage requires a different mindset and a unique set of skills, but they are all connected in a single, upward trajectory. It's a journey of transformation, not just of your bank account, but of yourself. It proves that with dedication, courage, and a clear vision, the dream of financial freedom is not just possible, it is an achievable destination.